Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating and mysterious aspects of modern aviation, stealth aircraft, and how they actually evade radar detection. From their razor-sharp design to their invisible presence on enemy screens, these machines are engineering marvels. We'll take a look at their exterior features, peek inside their minimalist interiors, assess their performance, explore their safety systems, uncover their unique selling points, discuss the cost of stealth, and finally wrap things up with a solid conclusion. So let's get started. Stealth aircraft look unlike anything else in the sky. Their exteriors are defined by smooth, angular surfaces, sharp edges, and flat panels. These aren't just aesthetic choices, they are carefully designed to deflect radar waves away from the source. Planes like the F-117 Nighthawk or the B-2 Spirit don't have the traditional curved fuselages you'd see on commercial jets. Instead, they use faceted or blended shapes that scatter radar signals. The coatings on these aircraft also play a critical role. Known as radar absorbent material, RAM, this paint-like coating helps absorb radar energy rather than reflect it. Even the smallest external detail, such as antenna placement, engine inlet design, and weapon bay doors, is optimized for low observability. These aircraft often store their weapons internally to avoid radar reflections from bombs and missiles. Every angle, line, and surface contributes to one goal: staying undetected. Inside a stealth aircraft, things are very different from commercial or even regular fighter jets. The cockpit is compact, streamlined, and built around the pilot's mission rather than comfort. Most stealth aircraft are single-seaters, and the interior focuses on reducing electronic emissions. The display panels are fully digital, integrated with advanced avionics, and linked to real-time threat detection systems. Stealth doesn't just apply to the exterior, the interior systems are also shielded to minimize radar and infrared emissions. You won't find flashy or luxurious features here. It's all about utility, efficiency, and survivability. When it comes to performance, stealth aircraft strike a balance between agility, speed, and radar evasion. They aren't the fastest planes in the world, nor are they always the most maneuverable, but what they trade in raw speed, they make up for in survivability and first-strike capability. The F-22 Raptor, for instance, combines stealth with supercruise, meaning it can fly at supersonic speeds without afterburners, which keeps its heat signature low. The B-2 Spirit can fly thousands of miles without refueling, making it capable of deep penetration missions into hostile territory. These aircraft are also equipped with precision targeting systems that allow them to strike targets without being seen, heard, or tracked. They are ghosts in the sky, often engaging in disappearing before the enemy even realizes they were there. Safety features on stealth aircraft are a combination of technology and design. Since stealth jets operate in dangerous and contested airspaces, they need to be equipped with redundant flight control systems and advanced countermeasures. Electronic warfare systems can jam enemy radar or send false signals to confuse tracking systems. If detected, the aircraft can deploy chaff and flares to evade missiles. Moreover, many stealth aircraft have radar warning receivers that alert pilots if they're being tracked, allowing immediate evasive action. Stealth itself is a form of safety. If you can't be seen, you can't be shot. Additionally, fly-by-wire systems provide added stability, allowing the pilot to focus on the mission rather than keeping the aircraft level, especially at high speeds or during evasive maneuvers. The unique selling points of stealth aircraft lie in their ability to operate where others can't. Traditional fighter jets might need support aircraft to jam enemy radar or deploy decoys, but stealth jets can go in alone. Their radar cross-section is often the size of a bird, making them nearly invisible to standard radar. They can bypass the strongest air defenses, hit high-value targets, and return without ever engaging in a dogfight. Stealth also allows for surprise attacks, critical in the early hours of a conflict. Beyond their low visibility, many of these aircraft feature advanced data sharing and network-centric warfare capabilities. This means one stealth aircraft can act as a sensor node, passing data to other planes, ships, or command centers in real time. They are not just planes, they are flying command hubs. This integration of stealth, intelligence, and precision makes them irreplaceable in modern air combat strategy. Now let's talk about price. Stealth doesn't come cheap. The F-22 Raptor costs around $150 million per unit, while the B-2 Spirit has an eye-watering price tag of over $2 billion per aircraft. Even the more recently developed F-35 Lightning II, intended to be a cost-effective stealth multi-role fighter, still costs between $80 million to $100 million per unit depending on the variant. And that's just the sticker price. Operating costs can reach tens of thousands of dollars per hour. Stealth technology requires specialized maintenance, unique materials, and constant upgrades to stay ahead of evolving detection systems. However, for nations that can afford it, the strategic advantage is worth every cent. In today's world, owning stealth capability is not just about firepower, it's about control of the battlefield from the shadows. In conclusion, stealth aircraft represent the cutting edge of military aviation. Their otherworldly exteriors are designed to confuse radar. Their tight, efficient interiors are focused on mission execution. Their performance blends speed, range, and low observability. Their safety systems are layered with both active defenses and passive design. They can do what no conventional aircraft can: strike unseen, gather intelligence silently, and return home safely. While the cost is undeniably high, the tactical and strategic advantages make stealth aircraft essential tools in the modern military arsenal. They are the ultimate expression of technology and tactics, flying silently above the battlefield, rewriting the rules of air dominance.